Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm unboxing this brand new doll with you. LOL Surprise recently came out with a line of big sisters called LOL Surprise OMG Fashion Dolls. I do really like some of their fashion and accessories, and to my big surprise, I actually found some at the Dutch toy store Intertoys. When I asked my Instagram followers if I should get one of these dolls, most of you told me that I should. Most of the requests I got were for either Swag or Lady Diva. The local store I was in only had Neonlicious, Royal Bee and Lady Diva. On the website of Intertoys, these three dolls are the only ones available as well. That's why I decided I wanted to get Lady Diva. When I went back to the store though, she was sold out. I visited another Intertoys and I did see Swag in this second store. As I mentioned, I got this doll in the Netherlands. Here she retails for 35 euros, which I do think is pretty expensive for a fashion doll. However, I was really curious about these dolls, so I decided to get one anyways. The box says this is an LOL Surprise OMG doll, which includes 20 surprises, unboxable fashion, and a reusable dressing room. It also tells you which specific doll you got, which in my case is Swag. On the back of the box, it has an image of all the girls, and on my box it has the promotional text in many different languages, since this is the international box. Then on the other side, it shows the original LOL Surprise doll that Swag was based on. On the front of the box, there's this arrow that says Start Here. When you pull that tab, you reveal her full artwork, and it also shows you all the surprise accessories and outfits. When you pull out the box a little more, it shows you the doll. This little door says it's a dressing room, and by opening that little door, you can see the full doll in her underwear. Now let's start with unboxing her before getting into the other surprises. Right away, I was really impressed by the quality and fullness of her braided hair. Getting all of those braids out of the way, you can see her super cute and animated face. As you can see, there are some minor imperfections, like her eyelash and outline of the eye, but that's nothing major. For her bodysuit, she is wearing this one piece with mesh between the top and bottoms that are very similar to Calvin Klein's, with the writing LOL OMG on them. And she's also wearing these knee-high socks with black stripes. The doll is articulated at the head, shoulders, elbows, and wrist as well. And look at these hands. They are so detailed and have these really cool long nails. She also has articulation in the hips, and the dolls have bent and snap knee. Honestly, this doesn't do that much, but it's nice that at least there's some movement in the legs. Inside of the dressing room, there's also this first surprise bag and doll stand. The pieces to put it together are underneath the base. The way you put this doll stand together is really similar to Ever After High and Monster High doll stands. I am really excited about the fact that she comes with a doll stand, because that just makes presenting and posing the doll a lot more fun. For the stand, this one also comes with a seat option. In the instruction guide, it does not say how the seat is supposed to work, but I guess the base of the stand would be her back support, which makes it kinda work as a seat in case they're just too lazy to stand up. The stand says LOL Surprise OMG on the base, and is all gold. To be honest, I love this underwear look already so much, but I will still open the other surprises to see what's inside. First up, she comes with this fashion magazine that says what's your star sign. And just like me, Swag is a Leo. If you pose the doll well, she is actually able to hold it, which looks really cute. Now while Swag is reading, let me open another surprise. We have this shoebox with a picture of heeled Timberlands, which I'm so excited about. Inside of the box, there's this wrapping paper that holds the actual shoes, and they look amazing. I think the style of the shoe is really cool and modern, and they also have a bunch of details, like this lace detail with golden buckle details and brown soles. The first time putting them on, I did struggle with it a little, but after you know how it's supposed to feel, they aren't too hard to put on. I did notice a little chip in the brown paint, but that will be quite an easy fix. Then there's also this round box that holds a piece of wrapping paper with sunglasses and her giant hoop earrings that say Swag. These earrings are really easy to put in, and I love the way they look. Her sunglasses are really small for her giant eyes, so I'm not sure if this is the way she's supposed to wear them, or if she should just wear them as a headband, like in the artwork. Then we have this surprise bag that holds a really cool backpack with golden chains and a $ print. Then the final two surprises are the fashion bags. First, we have these red sweatbands with studs on the side. That comes with this really nice hanger that you can probably reuse as well. The other bag holds her matching cropped red sweater with her open sleeves and zipper detail. This sweater also has those transparent type of straps to make sure she can wear everything properly. While dressing her up, I compared her to the artwork on the box, and I noticed that I actually was missing some necklaces. So I checked the paper from the sunglasses and earrings, and I did find them in there. Please let this be your warning to double check all the packaging before throwing it away. Having this doll in her complete outfit, I want to share some final thoughts about this doll. Overall, I do really like her and her fashion, and I'm really impressed by the amount of hair that she has, how well it moves, and how soft it is, even though there are braids. One thing I don't really like about this is the way that it's rooted. As you can see, the hair plugs are really spaced out around the hairline and around the head as well. The inside of the head for me is not too big of a deal, since there's still a lot of hair to play with, but the hairline for me could have definitely be done better and be more saturated with hair. I also really love all the accessories she came with, however I would have loved it even better if there were some actual surprises in there. If you've taken a look at the artwork or even just a video about this doll, you can already know all the surprises you're getting. This is a hard thing to do, since the price point of these dolls is quite high, so people do want to know what they're getting. However, I do think it would be a really fun idea if you knew which base doll you would get, but the outfits and accessories were surprises, and there could be several variations available. Another thing I hope LOL Surprise will do is create surprise fashion packs for these OMG dolls, since I do think it would be really cool to stick with that surprise element. One more thing about these surprises that really confused me is the amount of surprises the doll comes with. On the box it says 20 surprises, but I have to count everything the doll comes with, and I mean literally everything, to get to those 20 surprises. You get the doll, the shoes, the socks, the pants and sweater, the underwear, the bag, the earrings, the sunglasses, the 2 necklaces, the magazine, the brush, the stand, with the seat option, the round box, and square box, and these 2 clothing hangers. Then the last surprise is probably that reusable dressing room. And personally, I do not think brushes, boxes, or clothing hangers really count as surprises. That's why I'm not sure it's really fair to say that there's 20 surprises inside. Overall though, I really like this doll and I cannot wait to restyle and redress her a little more. If you want to see a video on that as well, make sure to let me know in the comments section down below. On my Instagram, I also got quite a few questions about the size of these LOL OMG fashion dolls, so I wanted to include a quick size comparison as well. For this, I'll take her off the stand, because that adds a lot of height to the doll. As you can see, Swag is a lot smaller than a Barbie body. And even Ever After High dolls are a little taller than these LOL OMG dolls. However, the Wonderlandian dolls are pretty similar in height. If we take a look at the Snapstar dolls, those are even smaller than the LOL OMG dolls. I really hope you liked this review. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if I should get another LOL OMG doll. If you want to see more pictures of my restyled dolls, make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, @thedollboy. See you next time!